Hi, this is Shirai. I just left the grocery store this morning, and what's interesting, there was a gentleman standing in line while I was uh, right behind him. He was in front of me checking out. It was interesting. He made a comment that another tactic that they use to control your personal information to make it look like you're mentally incompetent. I am not mentally incompetent. They're trying to get me thrown outside so they can arrest me to make it look like I'm mentally ill, to cover up something about they did change my record by some legal documents that I never received. I never received any subpoena, no court records, no anything to make it look like I was mentally incompetent. And what they did was basically they're trying to cover it up, and that's how they take control of people's personal records, which I never relinquished the rights to anyone. Everything is in the court was been forged because I never presented to no one to have legal rights or a power of attorney over my personal information. But what I'm understanding, this is what they have done. Something about some court records, they're trying to cover it up so I won't be able to sue them under the color of the law and under what the something about the shelters had done as well. So they did change my personal information, and they're trying to make it look like I'm incompetent, but I have all this proof. They're after my gray bag, and they're all after my identification of goods. I already sent appropriate authorities all the information regarding this, and I'm questioning now. You have my social security number. Look at my medical records and see who actually filed in court that I was mentally incompetent, so no one would ever believe me that someone has compromised my identity. This is Shura.